A state of emergency has again been declared in Jefferson County. This was announced on Wednesday by county officials at a community briefing. The decision was made based on the increase in COVID cases throughout the region and to avoid overwhelming the healthcare systems.
Our very strong concern is with people inside during the colder weather, the holiday gatherings, that illness will spread to an even greater level than we are currently seeing. We will experience another spike in cases, and that our capacities already burdened may give way.
The glass is full, okay? This is not a preemptive measure. This is a call to action right now in the community.
As of December 8th, the county had an average of 62.13 daily COVID cases per 100,000 residents. Chairman Gray warned that if the county's daily COVID rate increases in December to match the rate it increased last year in the same time frame, it would reach 88 cases per 100,000 residents.
And if we peak at 61 increase over November, then we'd be at somewhere in the north of 120 cases on a 7-day rolling average. That in and of itself is enough to give anyone pause. What that will do is that will inundate our public health.
COVID cases have also increased 30% every month since September. He said that if things don't change, the county is predicting an additional 30 to 40 COVID deaths in the next few months. Taking this data into consideration, the group addressed how this state of emergency will be a call to action to focus on the strain local hospitals are facing.
We have been exceeding 20 patients per day. That's just 20 COVID patients out of hundreds of patients that are in the hospital. That is concerning to us. Because if I look back at this same time 1 year ago, we had less than 10 patients in the hospital. We didn't peak last year until January. If we stay on this trajectory through January, we could be overwhelmed.
As the county is now in a state of emergency, the biggest change is the mask mandate for businesses and in public places.
We're asking people, and we're putting it in the emergency order, to mask up. And to mask up in public places, to socially distance, and try your best to avoid large gatherings.
Chairman Gray used Fort Drum as an example, as the military base has seen lower infection rates due to mask mandates and vaccine requirements.
The vaccine, the masking, the social distancing does work. Our infection rate is below that of what the county is currently experiencing.
The county will also require all CDC guidance, which includes social distancing, avoiding large gatherings, and getting the COVID vaccine and all additional doses.
This is a move to preserve what's important to the public. It's important to us, but it's more important to you folks.
And Jefferson County's state of emergency will remain in place for 30 days or until it is renewed again in January. For ABC 50 Now here in Watertown, I'm Isabella Colello. For more local news, go to informnny.com or download the ABC 50 mobile app.